friends, I'm going to show you how I put together a real nice dinner in my cast iron skillet with sauerkraut, sausage, potatoes, and a little onion. And this, friends, if you remember the video where Miss Mo showed us how she did her sauerkraut, this is the sauerkraut she gave me. She gave me some that's canned and some that was frozen. So I'm going to use this. And this is wonderful. And a lot of times people rinse their sauerkraut. I don't rinse it. I like that real tangy taste to it. So all I'm going to do with that, actually I'm not going to use that one. I will use this one. Yeah, see, it's still, that's all right. I'm going to spread that around there a little bit. Just break that up. Spread there. Oh, this is going to be wonderful. It smells so good. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to do a little bit of onion, and I'm just going to cut it in thin slices. And I'm just going to lay that around there. They'll be big enough slices my husband can take them out if he, you know, what he can't eat. So there's that. Now I've got about 5 potatoes here, and I'm just going to quarter them. Well, actually more than quarter. Lay them there, all around the edges. Okay, there we have the potatoes. We'll put those all around the edges. Now, this is my uncured Polish kielbasa that I bought at Meijer. I got it on sale, and it has no fillers, no MSG, and no nitrates or added nitrates. So, that is a treat, and that is what I'm going to use. If I can get it open. So I'm going to use 1 1/2. I'm going to cut 1 1/2. Actually, you know, yeah, I'm just going to cut 1 1/2. I think that'll be plenty for us. So with this, I'm just going to chunk this. And I'm going to just lay them chunks in there, just like so. These will be wonderful. Okay, now I've got a little bit of garlic here. I'm going to put a couple cloves in there. Give them a good smack. That skin will come off of them. Okay. I'm just going to slice these just in little chunks. Move that off there. All right. Okay. I'm going to lay these all around in here because you can't have enough garlic in my family. So, there it is. Now, I got enough juice in there from the sauerkraut that I don't need to add any, not at this point. I may have to later. But anyway, this is going to sit in my oven for I got it set for 350, so it's going to be in there for about 45 minutes or so. Long enough for the potatoes and everything to get nice and done, and all them flavors to mingle together and get happy. Oh, this is going to be wonderful. So, when this is done, I'll be back and I'll show you just how wonderful it turns out. Okay, friends, this is all done. It took about 45 minutes for the potatoes to get done nice and tender. So, there you have it. It's really easy to make. I did it in my cast iron, and it smells wonderful. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.